He doesn't want to come in. You can do another 3 feet along. That's a nice little rock.
That's not a minnow.
That's not too bad.
Nice fish.
Wow.
Oh, beautiful.
What a nice way to end the adventure.
When you first took him, I thought he was a little guy.
I thought he was little too.
He's in the top 5 now,
Ooh.
too. First one today.
Got a nice big mouth. Look at that
Lots
guy.
of sharp, pointy teeth, too.
Exactly. Ooh, look at that.
Cool.
This is great. You can just let go of him and
Yeah, take a picture of this.
Sure. Okay, let me get the camera. Hold on.